Hi, welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to register on Salmon Bank step by step. Salmon Bank is a digital banking app that lets you grow your savings with high interest rates, flexible time deposits, and PDIC insurance for your peace of mind. By the way, you can check the sign up link in the video description if you want to register on Salmon Bank. Alright, let's get started. First, open the Salmon Bank app. On the welcome screen, tap Get Started. Enter your mobile phone number. You will receive a one-time password or OTP. Enter the OTP to verify your number. Next, create your passcode for account security. Re-enter it to confirm. You'll see a message saying your privacy comes first. If you want to receive the latest news about exclusive salmon offers and products via SMS or email, just tap Accept. On the next screen, it will show grow your savings by up to 8% per year and invest in a brighter future. Here are the key benefits. Earn up to 8% per year and watch your savings grow faster. Flexible terms, save from 6 months up to 5 years. Deposits are insured by PDIC up to 1 million per depositor. Tap Continue. Enter your email address, then Continue. Now verify your identity using a face scan. Make sure to follow this instruction. No hats, masks, or glasses. Your face must be clear. Good lighting. Stay in a well-lit area. Keep a straight face. The system will scan your face, not take a selfie. Complete the scan to secure your account. Next, verify your identity by taking a photo of your government-issued ID. Important reminders. Your ID must not be expired. Use only your original ID. Fake or altered IDs may lead to restriction or legal actions. Do this in a well-lit room and turn off the camera flash. Keep the ID fully visible, in focus and easy to read. Tap Start ID Verification. After scanning, review your information. Make sure everything matches the ID you submitted. Enter your current address, where you are currently living. Accurate information helps improve your chances of approval. Choose your source of wealth, which is where most of your money comes from. When asked, do you pay taxes in the US? Simply select no. Now you choose your time deposit amount and lock-in period. For example, let's say I enter 50,000 pesos. Below, you'll see the available lock-in period: 6 months, 9 months, 1 year, 2 years, 3 years. You will also see the estimated earnings. For example, if you deposit 1 million pesos for 6 months, it may earn around 30,218.34 pesos, and even more for longer terms. Once you're happy with your choice, tap Continue. Review all the details carefully. Make sure you read and understand everything before proceeding. Confirm your application using the OTP sent to your phone. Awesome, I can now access my Salmon Bank account. This is how the app looks once your account is successfully created. And that's it, guys. That's how you register on Salmon Bank step by step. If this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe for more app tutorials, tech guides, and financial tips. Don't forget, check the sign up link in the video description if you want to apply. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.